Don't want to spend hundreds and thousands on that miracle detox routine or pill? Here are some ways that you can detox your kidneys using these 10 easily accessible and cheap ingredients. Before we begin, please drop us a like and subscribe to our channel for more ways to keep your body healthy using natural food. The kidneys are an essential part of our body's waste removal system. They filter the blood and remove excess waste, salt, and water. However, over time, our kidneys can become overworked and malfunction, leading to various health issues. That's why taking care of our kidneys is essential. One way to do this is by adding kidney detox foods to our diet. These foods can help flush out toxins and improve kidney function. 10. Cranberries. The first food on our list is cranberries. Cranberries contain antioxidants that can help protect the kidneys from damage. They also have anti-inflammatory properties and can help prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can cause kidney damage if left untreated. 9. Apples. Apples are high in fiber and antioxidants, making them an excellent food for kidney detox. Apples are also low in potassium, making them a good choice for people with kidney disease. Additionally, the pectin in apples can help remove waste products from the digestive system, reducing the workload on the kidneys. 8. Blueberries. Blueberries are another excellent source of antioxidants, which can help protect the kidneys from damage. They are also low in potassium and have diuretic properties, meaning they can help increase urine output and remove excess waste from the body. 7. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are low in potassium and rich in vitamins C and A. These vitamins are essential for kidney health and can help prevent oxidative kidney damage. Red bell peppers are also low in sodium, which can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of kidney damage. 6. Garlic. Garlic has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various health issues, including kidney problems. Garlic has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help protect the kidneys from damage and promote healthy kidney function. Garlic can also help lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of kidney damage. 5. Onions. Onions are rich in antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties. Consuming onions regularly can help protect the kidneys from oxidative damage and promote healthy kidney function. Onions also contain chromium, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of kidney damage in people with diabetes. 4. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is low in potassium and high in fiber, making it an excellent food for kidney detox. It is also rich in antioxidants, which can help protect the kidneys from damage. Additionally, cauliflower contains glucosinolates, which can help reduce the risk of kidney cancer. 3. Cabbage. Cabbage is another great food for kidney detox. It is low in potassium and high in fiber, making it a great food for people with kidney disease. Cabbage is also rich in vitamin C, which can help protect the kidneys from damage. 2. Kale. Kale is a nutrient-dense leafy green vegetable that is low in potassium and high in fiber. It is also rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, making it an excellent food for kidney detox. Kale also contains vitamin K, which can help prevent the formation of kidney stones. 1. Watermelon. Watermelon is high in water content and has diuretic properties, making it an excellent food for kidney detox. It is also low in potassium and rich in vitamins A and C, which can help protect the kidneys from damage. Additionally, the citrulline in watermelon can help improve blood flow to the kidneys and reduce the risk of kidney disease. So, there you have it. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help promote healthy kidney function and prevent kidney damage. However, it is essential to remember that these foods should be consumed as part of a healthy and balanced diet. If you are experiencing kidney problems or have a history of kidney disease, it is essential to consult with your doctor before making any dietary changes. Which of these foods are your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and thank you in advance for liking and subscribing. See you soon!